Marshall once said, buying real estate is not only the best, the safest, or the quickest way, but it's the only way to become wealthy. If you are looking for ways to create wealth and pass it down from one family generation to the next, then real estate investing is without a doubt one of the best asset classes to create legacy wealth. Have you ever wondered why a bank will lend you 100% finance to invest in property? Well, today I will share with you 6 powerful tools that successful real estate investors were able to use to build legacy wealth from real estate. So stay tuned. How's it, friends? Welcome to Property Ask Echo, and of course, I'm your host, Echo Kwegreen. And as you may know, I'm a former banker and now a serial real estate investor, and my passion is to help you grow your living legacy through the power of real estate by bringing you the best property tips and tools to help you take control of your hard-earned money, make you more money, and save you more time. So if you're new here, please do the right thing and subscribe to our channel today. And make sure to hit the bell button to turn on the notifications so that you will stay involved with the informative content that I will be sharing with you every single week. Just a reminder, we are still celebrating our shared success with you, our loyal community, by giving away 1,000 Rand in cash to one lucky person. So keep watching this video to see how to qualify. Let's go. Building legacy wealth from real estate is a long-term effort. While most of these tools apply to both real estate investors and homeowners, there are more benefits owning real estate as an investor rather than as a homeowner. Alright, let's get right into it. Number 1, cash flow. Investing in properties that generate positive cash flow is one of the best ways to build generational wealth. The positive cash flow from one single investment property that is owned by one generation can provide cash flow and profit from generations to come and leave a legacy that is passed down throughout the ages. Number 2, equity builder. Another way to create legacy wealth through real estate is by building equity over time. This is essentially the growth of the value of your property. As you pay down your mortgage, the value of your property increases, and this is why it is called equity. It is historically proven that property values rise slowly over time, and therefore this value transitions generationally as well. Number 3, build a business to pass down. You can build a business from your property investment portfolio and pass it down to your children. This is a great way to transition generational wealth because it is a fact that more than 30% of family-owned businesses transition to the second generation. And what better way of doing that by using real estate investment as a vehicle? For a great chance of successful transition, you should include your children in the business from a young age. They need to know how the business operates and how to successfully continue in the business. A classic example of multi-generational wealth through real estate business is the Hilton family. Upon the death of Conrad Hilton, the creator of the Hilton Empire in 1979, his children took over the family business, and after 28 years of his passing, in 2007, the Hilton hotels were sold to Blackstone for $26 billion by his children. And this is just one example of growing generational wealth through real estate investing. Number 4, create an estate plan. After you build your asset and generate positive cash flow, you need to ensure a smooth ride for your asset as they transition to the next generation. An estate plan is essential to secure a smooth transaction of your asset. The larger your estate, the more complicated this plan will become. My best advice is to consult your attorney about how to create your estate plan. Number 5, write a will. It is important to create a will, and this should include your exact wishes. I remember losing out on a sweet deal because the seller's mother inserted a clause in her will that said something to the effect that the property can only be sold if there is no existing heir. Basically, the will said the property must be passed down from one generation to the other. And this is just one example of growing multi-generational wealth through real estate investing. Number 6, set up custodial accounts. Custodial accounts are very important vehicles for any financial legacy that you want to build. Custodial accounts are investment accounts that you can control for your children until they are no longer minors. You can set up custodial accounts by using the positive cash flow generated from your properties. The bottom line is building wealth to last for generations is not an easy thing to do, but it is definitely a great thing to do. And real estate is by far one of the best investment tools to create legacy wealth. Now, the question for the 1,000 rand cash prize is, what are the 8 tips for dealing with the banks? All you have to do to qualify for the 1,000 rand cash prize is 1. Subscribe to our channel and like a video. 2. Answer the questions asked in this video by commenting on this video with your answer by Wednesday, the 13th of January 2021. 3. Be present at our live draw on Thursday, the 21st of January at 7 p.m. Central Africa time. It's a date you don't want to miss. I wish you happy investing and good luck. Until next time, bye-bye.